Hi everyone, my name is Ramkot Suresh, accounts faculty. Today I am going to discuss about the strategy for the preparation of accounts on the day before the examination. So please watch the video till the end. So for the preparation of accounts, so we start with the preparation, most important topic BRS, bank reconciliation statement. So in bank reconciliation statement, most important is overdraft problems. So first solve the one problem relating to overdraft and solve one problem from amended cash flow and revise, and you need to go through unique points, tough points. You just revise the unique points and tough points in each and every problem, and there may be easy points will be there in each question, like bank charges, check issued but not presented, check deposit but not collected. Don't revise repetitive easy points, only go through tough points. After BRS, so we will start preparation of rectification of errors. In rectification of errors, we have three stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Stage 1 before preparation of trial balance, stage 2 after preparation of trial balance but before the financial statements, stage 3 after preparation of financial statements. So you need to select one problem from each stage. You need to solve three problems, one from stage 1, one from stage 2, and last one from stage 3. And after that, you need to start issue of shares. In company accounts, we have two parts. One is issue of shares, issue of debentures. In issue of shares, we mainly focus on forfeiture. Forfeiture in case of premium received. In case of premium received, in that also we have two types of problems. The forfeited shares are fully reissued and partly reissued. So we need to revise. You need to revise both. And of course, second category, premium, if premium not collected, forfeiture of shares, if premium not collected, in that category also we have two models, fully reissued and partly reissued, and shares issued for other than cash. So you need to solve these three models. And next one, after issue of shares, you need to concentrate about issue of debentures. In case of issue of debenture, so mainly focus on the writing of loss or discount on issue of debentures. Second one is debentures issued for other than cash. Reverse problem from debentures issued for other than cash. And read the entries. Focus mainly on the entries in relation to debentures issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Debentures issued at premium, redeemable also at premium. So mainly focus these two models, entries in relation to these two models. After issue of debentures, you have to start preparation in related consignment. You need to start consignment. Of course, you need to solve one problem which should have normal loss calculation, abnormal loss calculation, and closing stock. And select one more problem from consignment where goods sent at invoice value. And after consignment, you start preparing not for profit organization. So not for profit organization. So it is a lengthy topic. So just go through it. Don't solve any problems. Just go through it. How to prepare income and expenditure account. How to prepare opening balance sheet and how to prepare closing balance sheet. Just go through it. And solve one problem, particularly for the preparation of subscription account. And third one, you need to focus on the special terms theory part. We need to focus on the theory part. Special terms given in relation to not for profit organization. Terminology, you need to focus on terminology. So after this topic NPO, we move to final accounts. Don't solve any problem from final accounts. Just go through all the adjustment. Unique adjustment in each problem, and mainly focus on PDD and PBD adjustments. Provision for bad and doubtful debts, provision for discount on debtors. So you need to focus mainly on these two adjustments. Solve one problem for the preparation of PBD account and PDD account. It will give you confidence in relating to final accounts. And after final accounts, partnership accounts. Of course, partnership, we have 5 parts in partnership accounts: valuation of goodwill, preparation of P&L appropriation account, admission, retirement, death. So here we are not going to solve any problem. We are going to see the adjustment, how goodwill adjusted between the partners' capital, how the general reserve transfer between the partners, how memorandum revaluation prepared, memorandum revaluation account prepared, how capitals will be adjusted according to the profit sharing ratio, and you need to revise one problem relating to admission and retirement. Just revise one problem on admission and retirement. So with this we can move to the next one, capital and revenue expenditure. This is a theory part. This is a theory topic. Capital and revenue expenditure. Capital and revenue expenditure and capital and revenue receipts. So solve any 2 problems. In that they will give you a number of transactions. You need to decide which one is a revenue and which one is capital nature. So just solve 2 problems. It is sufficient for this topic. You will get clarity about this topic. And next point is bills of exchange. Bills of exchange. In case of bills of exchange, revise one problem on renewal where party became insolvent. So one problem, particularly renewal problem, where one party became insolvent, and renewal and insolvency. And second, revise one problem on mutual accommodations, and revise one problem on specific transaction in one particular party books. Let's suppose we have problems like Bob Don. So Don, we need to write entries in Don books. We need to write entries in the Kathrak books. Like that, we need to focus mainly one problem on the specific transaction given in relation to particular party. This is all about the bills of exchange. This is all about bills of exchange. After bills of exchange, you need to start account current. Account current. So in account current, mainly focus should be on reading interest. Reading interest. You need to revise reading interest. And product balance method. So reading interest method and product balance method. These 2 are very, very important from the account current point of view. After that, we need to start average due date. So where intervoyings are there, contra entries are there. You need to mainly focus on contra entries, intervoyings like principal and agent. You need to focus the type of problems in average due date. After average due date, you start preparing inventories. So inventories, mainly you should focus on physical stock taking. Solve one problem, how to solve one problem for ascertainment of physical stock. Solve one problem, ascertainment of value of stock. There is a difference between the physical stock and value of stock. Select one problem for calculation of physical stock and one problem for valuation of inventory. After inventory topic, you start preparing goods and on sale or return basis. So we have 3 models in this case. First one is few transactions are there on sale or return basis, then where we treated them as normal sales, casual sales, ordinary sales method. Second method is when we maintain separate journal, multi-column journal. And third method is we maintain separate books for the sale or return basis. So focus mainly on the first method, that is ordinary sale method. Ordinary sale method, where goods are sent casually. Only few transactions they on sale or return basis. You just focus on the first method, that is goods sent on casual, sale or return basis casually. After this, if you have still time for the preparation, then you can go these topics. If you have still time, you can go through these topics. So this is accounting introduction, contingent assets and contingent liabilities theory part. Only refer A category questions. So A category means most important questions, right? So refer only A category questions from the accounting introduction, contingent assets and contingent liability. And after this, you can go through depreciation. In depreciation, mainly focus on written down value method, where more than one asset is involved. We purchased an asset and we sold another asset. We purchased more than one asset is there, and you need to focus on the written down value method. Written down value method and more than one asset is there. And most important point, So before going to the examination, you should revise entries, journal entries in each and every topic. For example, bills of exchange, how to write the entries in case of books, in the books of dryer and in the books of dry. Consignment, how to write entries in the books of consignor, in the books of consignee. You should know. So revise the entries in each and every topic before going to the examination. That is very, very important. In every topic, you have separate entries. So you need to revise them. You need to revise the entries. And second question, second point, in examination, they may give you one lengthy question. If you select that question, it will consume majority your exam time. It will consume most of the exam time. You cannot complete the remaining questions within that time. So you choose wisely. Don't select lengthy questions. Don't select lengthy questions. It is better to leave them as choice. If you select lengthy question, it will take at least most of the time it will consume. Will consume for that question. Most of the time will consume that for that question. And one more important point, in examination, suppose you selected question number 3 by seeing one part A. So part A is a very easy question. By seeing that, you can select question number 3. Part B is very difficult. It is a trap. It is a trap. By seeing part A, you selected the question number 3. But the problem is part B. Part B is very difficult or lengthy. So please read the questions completely. Then only you can select. You have 15 minutes time before the examination. For the reading, reading question paper, we have 15 minutes time. In that 15 minutes, selection, planning, decision should be done in that 15 minutes. Which question should be selected and which question should be attempted first. Everything will be, decision will be, and the planning and selection, order of questions, selection of questions, everything will be done within the 15 minutes. Then only you can attempt properly. You can attempt properly. And so don't fall in the traps. So definitely there may be one lengthy question. It may be easy, but it will consume more time. And you need to read each and every question completely. Don't select questions by seeing parts. Part A easy, part B easy. Suppose you selected a question for part A, automatically part B will be maybe difficult. So try to avoid these mistakes in the examination. And if you follow the same, you will get good marks. And one more thing. This is a professional exam. You cannot expect to attempt 100 marks. It is sufficient to attempt 80 to 90 marks. You will get good score. So quality is important than the quantity. Remember this point in the examination. So all the best for your exam. Thank you.